Artificial intelligence isn't the future anymore. It's already here. In 2025, you can turn AI into real income without showing your face or spending money. Here are 5 real ways people are already making money with AI. Faceless YouTube automation, selling AI prompts, freelancing, mini online courses, and AI-powered digital marketing. YouTube is exploding with faceless channels. With ChatGPT for scripts and stock footage, you can create engaging videos, no camera, no microphone, fully automated. Prompts are the new digital products. Platforms like PromptBase let you sell ChatGPT and MidJourney prompts. One strong prompt can sell hundreds of times online. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork use AI to finish projects faster. Copywriting, design, marketing, AI handles the hard work. You deliver professional results. People want to learn AI skills. You can package knowledge into a mini course, PDF, or video series. Upload once on Gumroad or Udemy. Earn forever. Businesses pay big money for marketing. AI tools generate ad copy, content, and social posts in minutes. Start a fast-growing online service business with AI. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button. It helps our channel grow and keeps you updated on the latest AI money-making hacks. These aren't just ideas. People are already earning with AI in 2025. Which method will you try first? Subscribe to SmartSho and let's grow together.